ma updates a ɛwɔ hɔ yɛdi kan aka sɛ deɛ daa yɛyɛ a ɛyɛ stomach ulcer specialist no deɛ ɛda so wɔ hɔ a ɛnsesa yɛ na mmom deɛ ɛsesa yɛ yɛnya yɛ new building a yɛmove akɔmuo ɛno nti ɛwɔ Kenya ase borɔfo yɛdu mene wɔka sɛ yɛafixe yɛ billboard wɔ hɔ ɛno nti wotra Kenya ase bosɔre a wodu w'ani bɛkyerɛ abrɛmu ɛkwan no so the next junction on the left yɛ billboard esi hɔ kama ɛboa ama wahu baabi a yɛwɔ deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu ɛne sɛ uduru hɔ a na ɛkɔba sɛ baabi a wohunu hɔ yi a ɛnkyɛ yɛde numbers no bɛtutu dwa na yɛsan so celebrate dimpa at 10 a ɛyɛ 10 years a dimpa for yɛayɛ adwuma save the date ɛyɛ 4th of January ɛno nti saa berɛ a mene wo kasa yi deɛ yɛda so ɛwɔ dichem so a ɛyɛ old health insurance abrosan no mu na emom on the 4th of January yɛ start adwuma no ɛwɔ Kenya ase bofedu na afei yama obiara te ase sɛ yɛde lab and scan services enyina ɛba adwumadie no mu ɛnyɛ lab nyina na yɛyɛ but esi am no kasa yi deɛ yɛdu 4th January na yɛ start adwuma a yɛde all labs and scans ɛna ɛyɛ adwuma meka bio sɛ mo nhyɛ ase nkɔ Kenya ase bofedu na nsɛ no wo hɔ a na obi akosi hɔ na wɔsemaba wobɛkɔ akɔhwɛ na ɔma hɔ kyerɛ sɛ wadi anim kan ɛwɔ Kenya ase bofedu yɛse hɔ yɛbɛba hɔ 4th of January ɛno nti sɛ sia deɛ yɛda so a yɛwɔ dichem so ɛno nti yɛhyɛ no nso at this point deɛ Kofi ɛde yɛn phone numbers no bɛtu dwa na afei ewia yɛatoa ɛso
Acho phone numbers ni 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 ena 0245 118434
0245
118434
All right, enti yɛbɛba a recap of last week lessons a yɛyɛ no ɛso last week yɛka sɛ why stomach ulcer is dangerous than assumed nipa bebree nim sɛ stomach ulcer ha adwen saa ɛno nti yɛbobɔ nneɛma bebree so yɛse etimi create heart related challenges breathing challenge severe back pains etimi ma headaches bia onte wo ho ase etimi kra oni typhoid kabo mu etimi ma so da ye basa afei ono a wonkun but omo wani nye wanhwe yi a
yenkun ni asel
ni asel afei stomach ulcer ne secondary effects ni bi ye untumi na yie ebetumi ama wo na aye basa yesa nso ka se niema stomach ulcer betumi aye no ebetumi ama wanhwe yi a wadwe be o say a spiritual problem because niema aye ye wonu nyina no eye no ma emfa kwan mu enti wanhwe yi a wadwe be o say a spiritual problem ni di ye ka nyira ne se niema ebubo so no a ya sisu dua se ni nyina aye e kire se niema bebre na betumi aye o because of stomach ulcer wanhwe ya wuhu bo se ye no e na eye wo sa na ansa na yɛbɛba ɛnɛ deɛ no so no Kofi bɛsa the numbers na to dwa na afei yɛaba the topic for the day.
Okay, Pacho numbers ni 0246 744 744 0246 744 and 0245 11 84 34 0245 11 84 34.
Okay, that's it. Yeba the topic for the day. Yeka and it say and that yeka share 7 reasons nti most hospitals and clinics cannot handle stomach ulcer properly. 7 reasons are into most hospitals and clinics cannot handle stomach ulcer properly. The first reason is inaccurate diagnosis. Na nipa no anase hospitals na clinics ni bebre omuntumi ehunu stomach ulcer no ankasa anase ehwehwemu a obeye no se antumi amma wanya no yi a da bia di mpafo ye ka bibi se accurate diagnosis is half a cure. The entire cancer accurate diagnosis is half a cure. No say, so yeah, and we remove one pedrian. Now one to me and any year over 12 from and until the edika most hospitals and clinics and to me handle stomach ulcer year. One hour cry why we remove ebia one to me and who not the cry hano. Nipani be brave bar ebia was yo doctor makoma and so no and say a so one way ya udi na no asem na chi a obamana koye ECG ni echo because was na koma enso na eye ne bo epigastric pain and a man boye ne ya eno nti the edika ya inaccurate diagnosis the atoso mienu a the mpafo ya ka na pese ya kires eno nti na most hospitals and clinics entumi hwe stomach ulcer no ye eye inadequate knowledge about the disease.
Okay.
Sa ya de stomach ulcer no. So woni hu nim de yi a untumi nhwe ma enfri ho. Eno nti esese wo nim de wo experience eno nti na dimpafo ya ka say ya hwe ya de no for 10 years. Eno nti ese wonya experience na wo nim de e fa ho na unim de ekosu wo mu bia ne din ahodo niema etumi ye oni padua no mu. So obi kasa na oka asem bi na related to stomach ulcer. Now wo ye doctor na physician want me ehun say ade we yenkwohwe stomach ulcer. Enhwe. Na wo kwere ye other test wo be mani pa na boka ade ato agu. Eno nti yese esese wo hwe eno. The atoso miensa hidden symptoms. Ya wo symptoms ni bi wo obvious. Obi ba na o se ne yam ye ne ya ne yam tutu no a obi abe hu se wo yenkwohwe se bia ulcer wo ho a na emom so oba no se ne bo na ye ne ya anase na chi na ye ne ya wan we ya wadwe maso se ni bo ba no se ne ti aya ne ya sa for the past 4 years onya experience da wan we ya hu se e bia na stomach ulcer na sha se nti na nipa ni ti ye ne ya afa obi ba no se me honam ye me basabasa bat me nsanzu ntumi na ebetumi abase eye noa eno nti akoma a ebo ntentem na afei edume bi eye kinkinkim ubu wote wa na ye mu ahye no wa we ya de bekwa akohye bibi foforo afei obi ohon so a na ne de no wa ye yamana ye test bebre koye we bra no akoya aba enye noa koye we bra wa ye test bia adwe no kra ma so say stomach ulcer because enipa no the complaints eni ne yam eno nti nipa na ohwe na adwe ma so say ebetumi abase stomach ulcer nti hidden symptoms na be a throat o minimum baby betumi aya wo ya obi so di ntimi digest obi de ema na yamu etim sabe na obi so de ema ne rane ebia no eye no ma ebetumi aba enam science nti ohunu ade nti a esese ohwehwe na wo stomach ulcer ho adwuma. Number 4, assume to be a spiritual problem. And I was a nipa no ese na nisu brino ese na kuma wa na de mu ahye no ontimi na anajo eya na niema ye no ne bo na chi ni ti enti so no obi anya problem kakra bi a odebekwa akohye ne se nipa no na eye ne bibi enso na stomach ulcer. Go feel the numbers number 2 dwane the last 3 no aba.
Okay, but your numbers near 0246
0246
744
744
744
744
0246
0246
744
744
744
744
and 0245
0245
11
11
84
84
34
34.
Okay, enunti eniema mienu a aka eniema mensa aka 1 improper preparation. So obi ba na wa osa ha no acha enro dodo a wano no na say wo ye detox o twe ebro ni fifiri ni peduam na usi wo ye massage for proper blood circulation na aboa ma wo ma na duro atumi aye adwuma wan prepare ni pedua ni ye a untumi nsa outside ade no ma emfiri ho. Number 6 powerless medication. Hospitals and clinics be enuro a what system no entumi enko stomach ulcer because say unya aduro betumi akum bacteria na ye H pylori no ekuro no a de aba no say unya aduro betumi akum no sa mani pa na kuma problem say unya eno na duro say emanitia na ya say unya eno na duro sa ma na chi ya na ya say unya no na duro orane ya say unya na duro say unya constipation say unya entinya ndro yamfiti dimpa for yamfa duro baako and a hair stomach ulcer. Cases are also no by wakotwe aba no. As I tackle them together. Now to me aboa. Emerald into the last one be ban here see unknown or forbidden habits. And until a ma dimpa for a baba betre 10 commandments of stomach ulcer treatment. Nyama bebre na answer say stomach ulcer or wa enuani bi ne ye bi suban bi or wa answer say wo ye. And for I want to two obi, says stomach ulcer or what? O don't want to two obi na odi kosia achu kodibi, odi anwa mo kodibi, odi jollof ni ase o kodibia. Uwie ya samato. And unti ono hede habits na ebetumi ama nsem aba. And unti ya de ba we ye ya ka nyina ne say Dimpa Natural Health Clinic stomach ulcer last stop. Baby abekoko bia mfa woni ka wakobobo. Oba dimpa so ya ehobeba be ye last stop at the amount.
Okay.
And until last time Kofi the numbers number 2 Jana Fe.
Kofi. Boss
Okay, but your numbers near 0246
0246
744
744
744
744
0246
0246
744
744
744
744
and 0245
and 0245
11
11
84
84
34
34
0245
0245
11
11
84
84
34
34.
You hear that sinti on the 4th and I move akọ Kenya as brofedu. Free sa break up him on the 4th no there.
Yeguswa.
Yeguswa. Na me shira op Omanhene.
Nyame council.
Ayi shira my EP.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, yet to adwumade no so e wa ha no mo na bibia wo se de to asoma mu bia. Bro ye maka se eye wo manta de dia eye Sister Kiddy Glamour and Wardrobe. Wow, Munso Pentani Papa Biashe, Eddie Akko, upon to Asia engagement to wedding, Eddie Akko, sorry, Quasiada, Denyamiasia, we here enter the panel free Sister Kiddy Glamour. A man, Mube Pino, and Confanta, Debia and Shadasa, cause Sister non says you. Bema Opesa, who judge now, now see a jeans, jacket, suit, Babua, who do Nano, a be honomo, Bapim for the pregnancy list among cause Sister Ho, Korakituano, I want to from the Nema children from age 12 to 60. Womunyina, your mother care, baby care, and children. Kusi penny, ye wo Atinga Junction. Ye ne Omni Basic Bank Dimsha anymore. Sasuna, I insign council. Ye ne China Mall, Dormaster Dining Moa. Friend 0245 74 9191. Ye Cody Bruno 0245 749199. Na bibia enkoso kama enfama. St. Andrews Senior High School, St. Andrews SHS, the best private senior high school in Ghana. Numero 1. Yeah, general arts, general science, business, home economics, visual arts and agricultural science. Yeah, wasim for su mankasim dunko no fin. Say she asanyo so no new adubiasi. Now we share excellent boarding facilities now just say tiled and air conditioned classrooms FM station and swimming pool our campus. Now wasi resource also excellent resource with the St. Andrews akwala look so them send the results back mienu bi anko ye we dem mane how bra ye be mane ye we kire na mana say atwa bio kra abra ya agi the school ho 1 2 3 is in progress SHS 1 2 3 ye gusu ayefa wo mo for 0244 6969 11 0244 6969 11 21st Clinic. We are experts in sciatica. Nah, yade bia eye yade de. Over 21st Clinic be ho name me akwadare wo sciaticum. About lab and scan service, massage and machine treatment. Obi any one ma wo fidie chaye. Ye wo fidie ankasa. Ye lab papa. Machine treatment papa. Na bibi dro kan. Oto ase atwetwe wa che e ka wo. Sciatic nerve no wa techima. Brane enhwe wo. We are the sciatica expert. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Kumasi ehwa overseas baby a Sompa we are. Obuasi Council Quarters, a year conjunction. Enkradome Market. Sunyane Kranzani Techima nyina ye wo ho. Obi adwuma wa ha no mo or a staff of Sompa FM TV. Also up a single room self-contained. Ewo ehwa pankrono ne meduma e bia me esen. Na obetuma aboa no a number no is 0276 369 494. 0276 369 494. Nani beji obeda wasipa. Kanjin and magic drinking water. Epeno ashasi unity. No musupa o. Enkofa ye kekabi amreo. No musupa. Nenya calcium, magnesium, potassium, ne iron. Meka kanjin and magic drinking water. Yawa Brema UGC Tafuni Road, Abawa Route to Junction. Ghana have a be our friend number on Bebo. Unumunsuya hydrate to the beer soja on Tema skin. We leave our lungs, no heart, a bomb who buy who room come out. And untina may come for kanjin and magic drinking water. Going back to the basic. Number no 0241 449191. 0241 449191. Golden Dew Hotel Bronye Amana Yede. Yeshasi on the 14th December ye all white party. Carnival party no so ebaso on the 16th. And na 18th. And untino the America catcher no say free 23rd Ekopim Fest. Farmer Frane Brown no be the agro. Bouncy castles ahodoa agodia wodo bebre ni ahye no ha. O jiwani na obano so from 23rd to 1st. Kwala ne be jiwo mani pa. 26th Boxing Day no. Cocktail live and cocktail banda. Buffet African wear kwan na obeshaba. African wear umpamo dia kopam wo bi also atosen ho. Na 28th there last minute no for Ponsa and akwaku smoke ji ho aboso treat you all kinds of music and unto Shannon Sompa. Na fireworks bonfire and Nyagro fireworks on the 30th. You can come and see for yourself. Now a Basso Golden Dew Hotel premises no ever and carrier Yen National Insurance D anymore 0543 553 793 0543 553 793. Sompa empeding for say yemfanto American for enim say on the 1st a year afia yeko remno day di kind 1st January ewo Sompa hanomo na wa be di kan ba de mema de de ama Sompa ehwan ha ya Shanonso ye di bronya ne wie kwa 1st January na mo wa chede se de ye Sompa chede no na obeba Sompa ahanomo enkan mo be kodome Watermelon Street St. John's Eco Bank na chipe ho na Sompa enkan wo takwan so ye wo low cost unya dru ho no ma Techiman Techiman site obi ani ho obusa ye be kire temo amoya kunafo Techiman monko ho enkranza so Sompa FM premises so unya dru ho no ma ena sunyane Sompa FM ye obi abi afre the night market unya dru ho no ma 3 January so ye kwakọ ya do ye Adum Needy Care Foundation wo Formina Kusa 3 January ho na ye kwakọ ya do ye ama enkwada omuni na ni agya no ha Adum Needy Care Foundation no e ba koye na egusu aye bonka ye se fawo de bra sika nso so afa bi to so 0598 559-802. 0598-559-802. And a pair of children will say, who you sue Yas toothpaste and I Yas toothbrush. Mr. Wa, a man in power the Biarada, you will total care toothpaste, a preventive cavities, a man to crew, a was sinner, and can cabina will see Ayabasano, total care toothpaste ball by. White trim, I will see a fita. A fay hair balance, so I will see a day. Obua winning soon as seen to two. Remember, I see any timid and then. Your prince, princess, monarch, duke, duchess, and a kiddie toothbrushes are who do in be. Shannon song. Say by Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush there. Na and she say any yes, who here Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush, Shannon Sompa. Okay. Ricky, they both to say. Maybe I will call there.
Nyamiadum boko.
Edo badi asise anope. Wadom ye na oma bibia akoso. Ma yenti ma anope.
You. Ma memfa enchia ema yetifo ne yahwefo. Na Omanhene yeda wasenso. Nyamiadum. Ejamro ejanya bedu. That is ayi enreye. That is Thursday, right? Tuesday, no. I'm yadum yetimi ebie atonsu officially. Yebie na memfa akwanya inamena mpanyufo bi ase. Ewo nyuma omo adi aboy. Na dedi kai ye nananom a omo wo atonsu agogo. Nananom ewo atonsu agogo. Yade enase me kase me bobodin a em se ebe bebre tinananom dwabin ra bank de ka ne se yada mase bebre ene mahode ne momre a mo bese ma dwabin ra bank that very day na ye commission branch no ma memfa na se kese nso ema eye yenya ye nua eye MC a owo asokwa honorable Kamel yede na sie kese ede ema ono nso na memfa enchia kese nso ene na sie kese ema yenya Reverend Father Godwin ene sofopanyin a omo atonsu Catholic Church wo na yemfa enchia nso ma sofopanyin a ono nso wo presby ene catechist ene na chidomfo nyina omo baye executives omo abato nso omso ye chia omunyina ene omo ekeka ho de kan se nyankopon onhira wo Sokoban Wood Village nso a yenuanom so ebai ye de nchia ema omunyina ewo de ombeye ema he se ohwa program no anayi wo TV ni so no that very day I launched here no na it was very beautiful na mpanyufo nana Dr. Duncan also any yenya CEO Chief Executive Officer that Ade Akye any all staff and management wo dwabin ra bank yes here de na se kese de ma omo betai ya chi nyina ya hwehwe se ye beba na so na ya baye den ye no mo aba bidin komo enchi akese nso ma yenya ye nua Solak that very day obeye board chairman a chese obeye chairman o program no ye de na se kese de ma no ye nua Emilia a owo pankro no ha ya a oton aluminium ono nso ye de na se kese ane ye de ma ye de na se mo bibia omumpo a omo antimi ama edwom hofo ni nyina nso taxi rank staff association omo ho ni nyina ye de na se de ma wo ewo omo betai yachi ema adwumadie ekoso de kan se nyankopon enhyira wo na bibibia omo ahwere ewo ye ho no omo nsa awrade mo na omo nsanka Omanhene esa ka nyame yadom coming Saturday that will be 20th ejamro asanya bedu AGM annual general meeting dwabin ra bank ye ewo dwabin hwa na ye wo Pentecost Church Central nyame yadom 20th year be this very Saturday ana ye AGM na ye kan sa dia na je say eye mfaso kese a obi a wato shares bia that very day edu a eye nije e say that very day na omo ato shares no ye di sika kese eba be hye omubotom. How beautiful it is. The woman Jobin Bank ye shares no the autopay within 2-3 years no na wate woka sika bia odi be hye mu all the years ahead no eye emfaso e de ma. It is every year san koso tonsa efre obi bia se omra onto shares ni bia brana betobi e kanso ni ntimi nyai awosa Jobin Bank yetimi aiden age. Last week me buy na me come bi yakonya award kese pa every Malaysia inclusive and then innovative banking Jobin Bank yenya nti the can say Jobin Bank who see nya award both local and international na nya sese bi numdwa keke bibi te say ya Sompa loan ya de aba ya de boa businesses for them to grow enye loan a obeji a kofa eniema we bra papa bi kwa kwaji loan edi emri bebre ansa na nensaka obi krampo de nensanka na Jobin Bank ye to ensa from say ya Sompa loan de partial uduru hwa no that very day near the amount enye fansa na kofa wo down paper bra ade esama na ye sonko ba kokra no so ne say enya de aye betie ni no commitment fee nti say 1 million Ghana cedis and say 20 million Ghana cedis and 10 million and 5 million sika bia meji bia no enya de ye tie ni meje 100,000 no apepepe ana me di kofie nti Jobin Bank ye to yensa free obi bia say omomra award na nya award just award keke obapa loans ni so ho ye group loan no so ewo ho sebre ye bedi bro nyan oniema abeka epo so a ye kan say bra Jobin Bank enya de a ye be kase kofa niema bebribra uduru ho that very day no na di loan no e di amount se fa koy wadwuma nti ma mini a George enye den ento aso
Omanhene betia tiefo ni ahwefo nyina say Omanhene ye shares no na ababa ye the order of the day say de na me boss o kano nipa dom na bebe na etwie de be ababa to shares bi Omanhene I wish say this AGM there Jabo part of it
AGM
coming Saturday
Saturday me Liberty Conference okay Jubilee Park mo ma bi da mo invite me boy o de kasa
and Omanhene shares no say the zika no o do obeto bia na ababa ye shareholder bang no so enyamfa so bia na once ababa shareholder no so benya so emfaso face deposit no so no iguso a no so ye ton nti samre ya de bia na meka se mreya na friend say ahoden wo ho na ibitima ye de ba investment ti investment de wakọ ya enko ba bia Omanhene for ni trade Jobin Bank na the first so no say fixed deposit no ba ya Omanhene ya ma kan rate e no transfer mutual consent e de nyai se bia customer na friend say bank na de rate na e de ba customer na e betie no aka ne de nyina agree as a consensus na etima e de abo nti amount bia say ye 10,000 Ghana cedis say 50,000 1 million amount bia which me da ba ye fixed deposit ye de baby Omanhene susu no so ye guso a no so ye di ho dance adwadifo no ja 10 cedis 20 cedis 50 cedis 5,000 cedis and so ye baba wana ye mante baba ona ase o ba giska ne da akọ de akoto ye be di bronya ka che adwadifo nyina no say ye be sere mo de a che opa ye sere mo pa se ska na de stores no ye nyai na Jobin Bank ye maba ona ye mante no o maba ona ase wo de wato bia no wo de famo wo de mo so a o be ko bank wo de akoto wo de to ho na ntempa na no nya SMS alert and so e free the main first can go check or store na se bi atorancham bi nyede be emeba susu account no bomodi anso be Ghana card digital address ne passport pictures mi no wo de ba e bi ama savings no so no so insihu no ye Omanhene e bebre wo de 10,000 Ghana cedis ba no Omanhene boy interest abenya ho so a wo yem kura be de be show unyan ba bia se Jobin Bank Omanhene ene de me komo no bisia na secretary so atoaso
awa baba
Omanhene
ma menti anope
Omanhene mechi na macha with epoina
Omanhene
say your future is now. Future na eye nne ya
odachi na ene
Into investment I obey no any ne be determine your future. An investment papa so obey no any drabin rural bank your shares na ye bo mu de ru no. Esan say distance any problem ninti no. Drabin rural bank ye code that ye develop for shares no baby awo bia wo amansan dwaso ina wo abrochio wo Ghana wo central region baby a wo boy code na ubetimi ato ye shares ni bi na eno so aboa wo wedache ene wo ma edache. Omanhene patro me the code na
Fatuja.
Your shares code no star 389
star 389 star
984 hash.
984 hash.
Omanhene patro ma mean
Sisubiwa.
star 389
star 389 star
984 hash.
984 hash.
Patro obo u follow prompt na what all shares
star 389 star 984 hash.
Into book code na no follow prompt na what all shares na pe. After say now also so dividend no so aye bebre.
After say memne da ayi
o chinechia
AGM ayekwa usu betima baby.
Ababy na abeje dividend no fe. Omanhene ye border rules na yesaka your corporate institutions more sorry more schools. Omanhene it is Sompa FM. We are very busy like yourself. We are very busy. It is a won't member bank, Drabin Rural Bank, your prestigious banking.
Okay.
Ofreya baby I will be a institution be a babeji usika koto. Obesa we use cancer so ofreya. Ebe sign aba be show na we use sika fe. Na ye sign abodero akache government institutions. Government workers while we get aban adwuma while we busumi adwuma what salary emfa Drabin Rural Bank Mr. Wama what salary no emfa Drabin Rural Bank na your loan rate ni so eda from pa we Drabin Rural Bank bi no ho be ma interest rate Drabin Rural Bank ede ma no ye wo salary account e wo ho ye wo credit line e wo ho ye wo overdraft e wo ho ye be di bronye sika na edi bedi into upesika kakwa bi e de akofi akodi bronya Drabin Rural Bank ye be ma obi now so odi akodi bronya na ma bibia ayefefefe me pa che me the branches ne ebetwija nyame adom Drabin Rural Bank ye nya 12 branches ye branch no ye head office ye wo Drabin Chiefs Palace e ho na Drabin Rural Bank e wo e na bon rent so ye wo taxi rank
okay
on ye wo Roman Catholic e just so ye wo traffic light Sepeti Mpomso ye wo Galco House Adeshiman ye wo Kejetia Gate 3 e ho na Drabin Rural Bank e wo Fumeswa ye wo taxi station ubowura ho Drabin Rural Bank ye branch no e wo ho fefefe aboason so ye wo Asante Line Roman Hill ye wo Atonsu station bebia emane ebokube no udru ho Drabin Rural Bank e wo ho New Road ye wo Morton building Drabin Rural Bank Pankro no so ye wo the tallest building na e wo Pankro no market e ho no Drabin Rural Bank wo and ye newest branch ye bie our new branch e wo Atonsu Agogo High School Junction market ho na ho na Drabin Rural Bank e wo enti the best rate for baby a wo bia no Drabin Rural Bank bora ho na bi account na usika sem ene investment enko enimu Omanhene mpacho me the telephone number ne betuja se bibi ni na wonti ase a obetimi afre na waje enchechwe mu me pacho telephone number ne 0242 38 74 98 0242 38 74 98 and 0544 74 58 56 0544 74 58 56 Pastor best Santiman Obia enfa na nintre Drabin Rural Bank na oni embeye adwuma Pastor better was any other 80 phones
no yes that was okay and nay Drabin Rural Bank and one the ish and one will be a ebo Jojo. Okay, Mabeja for the trust na Yasha and Samba Kuminua, Echegu or Memuhanomo, na the Ossia de Tono, ya de Ato, and one I don't know. So I wouldn't sit there. When you sit, okay, simple crown or transfer. Kennedy Mintawa had more Kennedy in Pom to say. Maybe Aboko. Okay. From some me, I in a sumame.
Me that say.
Okay.
Alright, Janadum. It's one no pane mo futu motivational message na eja na ye mabu na yewrem no ye de atu ehufo.
Okay.
Na yesu ni panyi adui, enye panyi nko ani sabi obi a abodwe a na say.
Okay. Nana. Okay.
Ye hwesenia yiti one partitu
Brian Champo for president. Boamena Memoir.
Exactly.
And no anime who say watching kind of boss interviews upon interviews.
Say on say Asante phone with 3 minutes say imudu back. Was say the so na mono na once in.
But you bra they just sort to take what to touch
also na mono na once in 2 di nachi. It is all her afenu no penifo mienu a nei omo eba ma akansi ni asi na hwe mujamono abrantia na Dr. Brian Champon and 7 na futu a wode ma Ghana man titru etu ahene asi ahene MPP fo a on say o man ye de na tem di anim ye ka de o candidate no betima ye na ni so ade a wo ma MPP tu ahene asi ahene.
Brian Champon says he's way ahead.
Yet
the polls also doesn't favor him.
You see on my polls no you do mumpenifo anim say ya you know how this game goes.
Brian to me to scam here man.
Exactly. You see Obama constituency mention not that me na me campaign manager ewo ho ye free BB DCMs. Your strategy no we deal with the delegate. And again so where you rakofo e de win abano ebe two franka e de ma MPP amanyuku nanado be 2 franka de ma MPP amanyuku a tembia no mu jasro ho no oma e fonfo ni fi se omo amu omo madidi agya omo no oma ba fom ebi na Dr. Brian Champon so we a ono delegate constituency executives kra wom kran kakra bi any constituency executives polling station executives enwa yen ye use na ye ne because ye ne nuanom na tefom yen go fa minister bi a make a whole youth organizer constituency make up a scholarship menya a whole make of uncle fa minister uncle fa MC uncle fa DC uncle fa obi.
So Brian is winning.
He's way ahead. He's way ahead. He's winning hands down. And you see, a bit shocking the waves are obia
okay. Club Asante.
Bravo.
Now I'm to say.
Yango gusu ye kese. Now so e.
Adom nti ehun ye pa. Okay, anope ya transie minority calling for ministerial reshuffle. We almost say we share certain key positions like defense, environmental. You know, I'm a former currency. But penny yinani. See, almost the question to I'm Rashebejo was a question. No, Minister de be yanwa. When you be a man in be yano, and a defense so near beer was say, you did the gross out to force no criteria one in some dorsal. So I'll go here so Mutalaso free honomo. Acquired send near my 80 or man penny ministerial reshuffle. As I made MPP when I'm going to charge your mama's on your reshuffle. More one. NDC about on Tiabe campaign, they have ruled out any third term agenda for President Mahama. Romosi Bibia said, Baby, any was all my penny, your mama. Now, me, I say, we no make go for come, say. Chama General, your beauty. Chief of Staff in your beauty. How you do this in your beauty? Young boys may be running mate, said the bay at that, or bet my baby. Our penny, your mama. So was our agenda and a crowd when you infinity. Or no cry, such was us, yeah. Party now crab one in church a day. 10 times to the end of the day. Either is he a dictator? I don't think so. He's a fine gentleman. Mamma find near maybe any home question MP4. Munyai. Moana mo casa de. Munyai, Namuman man Huntono. Last minister and so on the Wabe de Gem. MP4 so Wakuyi lithium deal a free parliament there. He has really mismanaged his ministry and contracting to unresign. I don't know if Obe resign. Then Boko a 2 animal as Antimeria in the Krata Koma. Oman Penny say in the next 24 hours, be take it up. Yeah, that's already yeah. Mam Kurugu Hine said da on Yintum. Then mediation on Koreano. kɔyɛ sɛ santima awura no a na sɛ bio ɔne ɔmudi nkɔmmɔ wieɛ no wabɔ ne tirim atwerɛtwerɛ nneɛma bi akɔma ɔmampani asɛm no mɔdu Kennedy ma mehyɛ asɛm firi hɔ
meda ase ɔman ma me start with Bokon sense film.
And please let's be measured with the Boko issue.
Thank you very much. Oti okruwi brawe moma so me mu sorry anope. When ye empre dikan a all solve issues are din say. And a man penyin nimte se o tu ne nan si bibi mu a me no nyina nim sa asase so nyame. I'm privileged. Say committee na call them hono. My boss back home, as you said, we've measured. No, he was secretary to one
of the committees. Fashions.
Yes. And almost started ball munkuru. So what call a him fear now tis in his bunkura. Media Sante example. Yet show a bush dua. We can we afi obi se asem ni epefi afenu ni nyina pie baaye no omo ka de asi ema for the purposes of him fitting send be why intimi kan to enti ye gina de yewura oti kro ibrahim ngoma so edito His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ema osteti categorically clear statement ni mo say ninua a mampurugu na yiri enu nyina nyante ase se ne ayewura kan ye enti I'm surprised to say ye nyina yakodan mu na de ebaaye no yate ase a yatwegu nkrata so se sei na yeko na surprisingly was won't ase na oman eno kra de hame o se MP sa omo start anopai eye MP it's rather unfortunate.
The MP
this very MP no Narerugu MP Narerugu MP
I also say
or say the mediation issues sabi you rentimi nka asem na o ka won upon my me push am MP you say this thing you better try say be yi motion say free ho obi beka say okay fine ya kana samosemo mpna munya de mbeye taxpayers money e dey na free ho ba resources be never but tem be an southern sector taxpayers money no it and then they and to maintain peace
no so they don't even can say
no the reason why I make us say I'm happy so you should be measured na me pass yourself MP in parliament you shouldn't leave that to those people outside who need economic challenges say home na Reugu MP you don't come out to say certain things and if you look through the press statement every Mampurugu traditional council buyer sometimes I don't know
where's Nanoshi
enti we enya no pay ya what yan we be ko no pepepe again who doesn't know you see yan person be politics John Dramani Mahama in 2004 political campaign stated that categorically clear said there are no conflicts in Boko. The rightful heir Kusasi for Dramani Mahama said it. But because of politics, so let's go to the mediation table.
Reugu is MPP, right?
Yeah.
It's MPP.
Yes, MPP.
Honorable Nuruddin Mohammed Mumuni.
You don't do that.
For Reugu Gambaga.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yeah, exactly. You don't do that.
So, MPP Mamprusi.
Mamprusi. You don't do that. Because it might surprise you. Me know I say even some of the MPs currently me come constituency. Ebiati Accra. No parliament minority and this hecklement now no you were shouting catch MP say Boko is bad. You see how furious that MP was. At the NSC. Yeah, the findings about Bibia and Obia onim history when your hands benefit of hands are there knows it clearly. So me, I'm surprised. Yura, what you crow Ibrahim must say findings about one thing. And unim, ye go two for Yamekesi. Onim de no, name the abesintin, and what kind everything verbatim in their report. Or my Musa question we send one kind report no palm will be and say the woman and they or much such say reject the mediation why what would have come out? Okay, a whole lot of issue. And can also tend to different things. Yes, Remo. Boku development should be paramount. But if you come out to say this kind of words, no, pardon me, sometimes I don't know, it's very bad. It's very, very bad. Yama findings in Juma.
But I'm seeing something here.
Me too.
Kasayana.
Exactly, yes.
Because
after Mamprugu
embrace Otumfo's proposal, Nuruddin edges factions. This is the member of parliament. For Boku issue. No?
Yeah, exactly.
December 5th, 2025. It says the member of parliament for Naredugu Gambaga, Mumuni Mohammed Nuruddin, has urged the Kusasis and Mamprusi factions in the Boku conflict to fully embrace the proposal expected from the Asantehene. Now you say, no young who the SCA.
Exactly. Say, Oko, no. On say, and I'm going to say, benefit of Hansard, no. Omoba, Fikesi,
because Okasa or Channel 1 TV, no say. Or say the baby biano omunsom December 5th. Now what can say omunsoma? Never net say be am favor Mampurugu dia.
You come out to say this. You yet me use words we can't be a kind there. And then
what was the word used?
Useless.
He says that the
mediation mean to be fair dinner. Say mediation is useless. No court can rule against Nairi. Why do you say that? Why do you say?
He said that mediation is useless.
Oh, you can use Dino, but you won't dash mediation is useless. Do you say this as an MP? Nitri your coach now. Quebec can be actually a whole MP. Ye pass some J.
MPP.
And in that case, why can't the benefit take? Also, it was clear the Kusasi voters against NPP. And then the Mamprugu voted for the MPP. Kusasi voted against MPP and Mamprusi voted for MPP. You don't do that. Because of all parochial interests and your politics. And you know the meaning of what you just did? And meaning Northern MPs no. Mediation report ne ba abontia ye best from a copy ye can both NPP and DC near both parties because already mediation na yejuma so we go to Nayiri ho ye wi ayako you said this is it ye that
now my confusion is utie kasa a free Nayiri ho ba oya kasa ase omo ensi ginaye. Because if he says that the mediation ended in a deadlock, it was a surprise I quite to say. But with him, asem no suni, no crying to me no
exactly.
Say denara as antiman ratiate you mean in a way. Beginis or the no cry not to baby also the two.
Exactly.
And now unco negotiation, nenka kasa a pie.
It doesn't happen.
Yasantiman one or him back yes, so dear semi pie. Dear semi, we are here, I'll say a pie. As I say, 17 pie. And see, I'm finding it difficult. As it stands now, Boko there's a seemingly quiet there.
Yes.
These things can inflame passions and bring a serious to dent the mediation. Now, make us say, let's be measured in our discussion. Go on, we've
gone by.
Oh, can they be our attack MP? No, be our boy Funo near because I am a free man prugu, no, I am man prusino. Oh, Casawan, we are man prusinia, who tears so back face, any old tack who says in the H and I say, that's what I'm saying. I have been apparently couldn't have and Tassini ye. Now, yen so ye Casano, ye cry and quank of fimu tension. But what is the mechanism? Anything I make us a measure because as I'm not the honor, I or more yama a ya quite say ball as you just is here.
No phone.
Mammy, a yeah, oh my crobby asante.
Mwachi bi muso.
They you so many.
Yeah. Minya abranti. There's a Mire Enria. If I'm Vic.
Ah, yeah.
I think about me can just watch up. And I'm saying
I will say other Vicky.
And run on my message. I can show it to you.
No,
Dickies on my use human no
and
on my message. So
other Vicky D edit into my waha. Only Vic. Over me and Twasso.
If you say and night video,
what are you come on?
And I said, men can sell it. I was also Minchia.
I see Bacho Vicky Chow.
Oh my, if you was I didn't kind of myself blacky. I mean, times black. I sorry, I'm a call from a shepherd of the Lord ministry. Yama Q, Mammy, very nice woman, full of energy. I yarribe week be good to be the phone of one, much better form one as a tray. Free so free ham a conny fee my cochana bush of until I should to my veteran. Am I mean, me regional chairman and Nana question regional minister, party for you now. Am I issue now Bokono? I have listened to some legal luminaries and all they are saying, it's not different from Utumfo's position on the matter. In fact, the government issued a statement yesterday affirming the stance and the position of the mediation report. Utumfo nyamkese odi wakasemono dispassionately. Also, your presentation Flagstaff House no or refer to both ahimfunimi as my friends, my brothers, my nuanom, so because omunyina ye ahimfo omtitinkunya so a omo their jurisdictions they operate within. And already aban response na aban po akase watwa ska 1 billion Ghana cedis, which is quite a huge money.
Yes,
very huge
for a particular enclave.
I'm telling you, huge. Because big push. I scared the whole Ghana quite 10 billion, 10 billion in 4 years. So not every year. You better realize if 10 billion Ghana.
Yeah, the 1 billion, one, and yet a whole regional. The Boko enclave.
Exactly. Because the president is saying that now doctors are doing my corner. Even native or I relocate so much into us in Yajuma. Because attention right here. Oh, Dr. Crannes and now be make pronouncement to meet him back hospital. Okay, I say, chain. I could be free secondary school. Yeah. I could no say bisa. Good. And to you, say, I crowd secondary school there. Ni sticks here, dear, yeah. You bet my medano in such a cold blood. We are nurse near the same thing, teacher near the same thing. So, my a statement to the buy and refuse to Debbie. But we've come of age. Oh my, those times, Naminim and Minyonkubia. Or national security. Oh my, so Mokowa. So national security for 200 no, police 200, soldiers 200 no. Oh my, two those days 200 Ghana cedi every day. And then the salary 200 Ghana cedi every day. And this security force I come buy ho. 400 and I 300. There's a 200 Ghana cedi. So every month, you are talking about almost $1 billion. I just say, about $1 billion cry. Now on better also best 1 year, 2 years. Sika. Okay, say baby president Ekufuado kai. You Mahama so time okay. Say Sika almost spending on security alone. It's so huge. And here allowances no fuel and count, maintenance and count. Other the extractions was buying quickly to me a restore MIA. And we are spending this huge quantum of money and they solve just an issue. What is the point? Uridia Bokunaba Bibia, there's a Supreme Court ruling. Say on the year the rightful owner of the Kusasis. You can be MPP, you can be NDC, but when it comes to issues of this nature, you have to be a no da now what they are told. No matter what Okazim, they will say no cre at all times into me and you know that. And the area say, opinion be some kind say, sɛ wotwa entro 1,000 what to nukure ahyɛ that 1,000 until nukure no bɛda die no na the other faction nim say this is the true nukure no ɔman bibia ni hɔ a betuma yɛ dɛn asesa immediately no I don't want to go to the nitty-gritties of it but the immediate make can say man proof for response from the buyer no I don't think it's the way to go and yewura edina no asem tuja no omampanyini issue a statement on the matter actually say ohene ba ko a eyema mpusi hene abono a ono ne tikusase a oni kusase hene no oni bokoda ba na ase omo say to me no so we me na me omampanyini statement no wo say they will immediately remove that gentleman or him no de na ko friend say mampusi onbo kuro ba ko no de na ko ho na o mama no especially a role so that kusase hine will have the full authority to man ni kuro said o hine bia ye dey edi na kunwa no e chese sa o hine ba ko pe no e na baba ye problematic now because ono no eka say my instance will be able to no the Kusasis will abide by it. Naman prison for us almost enforce. Na as they are sharing power. And open response no can say they will immediately make an arrangement to go and remove him. No na ko baby. Na baby o kono so wetimi a operate a man a special role so that they are sudrie ebetumi aye de aba. Yete yi oman ade ba ko ebetimi ama oh my Ghana, Yahuba Toye, se man pusifon to koye ni wa. The same Santehene, and I will call a friend say, the Gomba, a man, Yana, a dinner kunya, Tambalin and Patamina, I so quiet. It was heated, they said the Bokodian heated na. But no kura at all form, na, dear Osses would the aid, you know. Only wa, the old just would ye never ba. Said ye na. And you mentioned something. Say even a santimamu kura. Say kunya mama kunya dia. But say kunya mama kunya. You see a bushia dia. Ona na. Ebesi mama ye chaso. Ebesi mi wofo be dia dia. Ebesi mi sukusi we. Which the bushia dia no ne say esipa. And just kunya no ona ye the rightful person. What tell kunya so ye. And for and said ye and say but me. You see one thing or you know my pajama mama. I no catch me there. And for one downfall. Look at offensive for example. He te buy no too for say. Cake coffee sapon, coffee could be a sapo, cake sapon. Me am a yonko. Me net ya grow free am of Frabrima. Opposite would you couldn't be a quite way and the traffic of fast all. But to say any purpose say what he I may say young pen at the end of the year. And we are so mammy young wango. That's it. Oh my, me obabuira asuno kunya obuire yen ya this year but yen ya this ban no yen directly linked to bonwire asuno kunya ye bonwire no kunya no be yen na ya de ba ko
tebi abetime de kronti ana se
wo yen yasna ye de bonwire no ayo joso enti yen di man hene ti se me akunya wo se be di joso akunya mi ko di man hene menana adi akunya no odiye ema kwame nkruma sabe tun man se diye aya history da ho oye bonwire me ne muja ne me direct
enti utimi di ajoso man hene man ye ne mo muntimi ko di bonwire
he already no betimi di ade bi age se bibi na asini ye se de ma wo ba ye hwe the bloodline no se de asante ye no dia ene me di tusu man hene me nua ma mo be di tusu man hene ma.
Okay.
But what I say, by open real distribution, you know, ya snafo, you know, ya come. But what I say, but the Drew community dinner, you bet slow, yet you bush your dear Nishua, they bet slow say, and you would know, a day, Nanako soon make can assume you, who had to shop up some of him with dear friend Nanako Bros. Only yet me direct.
Okay.
But what I say, and he said, well, whom shall you want? I will say, Debbie. Obetuma kwa prayer emfa hwema the minimum see on this matter and say, Yabesere, Mamprusifo. Now the Kusasis are so quiet. Mamprusifo the issue for Friday Abba. And the MPA or also all both a crowd jam because or they say when seat. Your Casabi or Ubetimiaka, you will regret it. Cause a Santahini, a mediation. Let's say MPA Sukonoma. Oh, can simply say, dear. If it's unfortunate. And now when you issue a statement to be a Sabia in contest of a kind, and your son a report on the day, a kaye, say yes, Sadia, not the meaning boss way, then it's very unfortunate.
Okay. Now let's look at the issues of third term and then minority calling for the absence of certain key members, ministerial appointments. Marvin Tio.
Medasibi, am I?
Dear the mama officer of my penny, your mama when you take term of on kind. What Gina Simpius Wabruchi or say uncle. Be anywhere, your constitution, ya within the barry. Ubetim as the same constitution now. Just say, ye call referendum Cassia and they Ghana. I will 75%.
Dear Omni NDC, I say a Raman, you see, NDC and no moody grown. Or cast a resura reform.
Hey,
I didn't hear. And your first time, or my 10 year, or my penny be. I bonny Timu Poby say, young fa, yeah, party, Yura, Kofo by, Obugane brave enough, 1% call or extended term of office. No, Juma. Now, fast forward. Abama NDC with their plan now almost setting in motion. We want to test water so sink fire. The reason why I can't so test water and fire and say now look, this constitution a entrenched position until I was for the process money I call referendum near Kochokwa. But they were trying to test waters. I started say they started opposition. I just say Yaka say Biabwa, ye baby chief justice, a DNC. Ye buy a pamo EC Obano. Petition ko anase petition ko a petition communal aden wapam baako o man ye petition communal OSP and then EC now OSP there no omo kra e bi kra file bill to one direct to omo say omo withdraw. Now what has happened yamfa no tonche enti wo hwe how they are doing their things. Absolute majority. Ghana the majority in our mama afide ba adibi. And the racial flares so omunye. Minister of State, public sector reforms. Onko even Okuje to Blackwa kasa opposition JJJ parliamentarians here say come and tell us soldiers don't say na adiko Jamaica. Soldiers don't say na adiko Benin. Up to now, you are not there, your deputy is even not there.
Enra Sokoi.
Enra. Oh, he came late. I not on mountain pressure now. He has to leave everything. And to other people no, as MP, minister, prompted say this time, this one, because of tight schedule, time so about parliament. And you're non so many now. Defense minister now is no more. Finance minister na active. On one finance come more pumping it to make sure say dollar no stable no crown and no bed in ebu nikom. And you see, there are some ministers that they need to be reshuffled. You see, MPP look at some ministers like
people are saying the pot calling the kettle black. The MPP is calling for
NDC did same. They did same too, and again they have the right because in parliament, in governments we have something called checks and balances. The minority serves as a watchdog. It never be qua. And then they say lithium deal. Amendment Act 2015 Act 704 stated clear say minor NDC form NSA Act 2010 and on the bar the rate of 5% and the NDC corner change amendment in the course say it should be fairly negotiated just say it can be high and I cancel all the what happened. This very minister came to parliament only bill Amakofibua defended the reason he say omo be hu no say lithium price ne come from NT. Again, they now Osanya Collins Dowd so all defended this dubious bill. These ministers talk kasa mama started yeah calling for because one he could to black one. Again wanka. what is he doing? And I was a passport 24/7. First in history, say ya close the embassy, Ghana embassy, US embassy, close it. Where issues buy. Odo passport cockroach. What is this? And you see what they are refusing to do is they are no more in opposition. They are in power. You have not to Sam George. And they didn't want it. Kasa we are seeing na unim. Uma common DSTV a promotion. Instead, be almost X-Man say be a package or more. On my own, every year promo, PR room. Ebe say, you see, gimmicks no at Dawson. They should work and omunya juma gimmicks ne Dawson. Yes, I remember for uncle actually. Abujinapo. And then I opposition one can for electricity and near and energy sector. And now no yes container. Yeah. Who container? What has happened? More opposition, you say some more better electricity bill, some 24-hour economy, and the tariffs, yes. These ministers, apart from interior, Muntaka, then educational minister, no crime issues, but no, bear with him. These are the two ministers I think say they should be maintained. Finance minister on and off. Ordinary on the face of pink sheet in there, you know say he's performing, but you don't pump in money to stabilize. What says Sikana Adukoshe BB? They are not employed. Nothing is going on. What is really happening? A great minister, you don't come. Come and tell us what happened? That day normal lunch and I was in your house. What has happened? Yeah, but you say, Omonko DCs, MCs, municipal officers go register. What is NDC doing? 1 year, dear pan NDC meeting I said, your flashy program, 24-hour economy shops 133. And now former Lance Minister Yunus Hussein, the interview or grantee. Was it because of the recklessness of Onwani minister? No, you lay 100 NDC any pay you or me don't buy 100 workers of authentic lithium because of this Yasaki. What is NDC doing? Ube two for trogu Ghana ni and okay so economy na stable. Okay so economy na stable. Oh my where you reporters in Kodum non quote voice pop about this Christmas. Basa. So this NDC ye pese ho gia man panyi enye racial for on se so kujeto on se Sam George Agric minister Rikopog on se no just change one year racial. There are people there as senator fine gentlemen senator commentary on the budget. Look at how powerful Afenyo Markin is. At least or can't work, and you see it was cordial, and you said senator was on top of issue. These people can work. What are ministers not where they? What actually are these ministers doing?
Krabia, there's more ministers. No way.
Am I?
If you're my home of parliament.
You mentioned something, is it? Am was the pot is calling
the kettle black.
The kettle black. And you see, it's so fascinating. If I listen to him, that's my hair quiet. Because the MPP did this in opposition, in government, and they are repeating same. They don't speak. You see, Speaker of Parliament and to Afeni marking for. Or the Satan minority leader. I just test the pulse of the people. Now you be emotional about it. Then I hit there. Then I carry them along. Once they are concrete, say when you but you see, thank God that 1 year of President Mohammed's administration, the MPP and their loud mouth, they can talk, they can exaggerate. They've not mentioned one scandal in our exactly 1 year in government. What's it scandal? What can I say? Within 3 months of President Kufuor, no PDS or not what was PDS,
cash for seat.
Cash for seat. Back the overrated the 2.1 billion they can buy now. Bonds. First 1 year, just about 6 months now. Your friend say issues scandals upon scandals upon scandals upon scandals. Now you are here calling for a reshuffle 1 year. You cannot contain these ministers, and now you think Obi about your doctor sing to your he will come and join you to sing. No, 1 year, you are calling for reshuffle. 8 years, no one single reshuffle. Even when your own members of parliament wrote a petition and signed, say President Akufo-Addo, yes, we buru ye unu ya kenofuriyete free ho. Muntwema ni wi IMF unsam. But President muntwe say ebe ka 3 months apena oyi ni nua no. Entienne 1 year pe. Mostly ye. Osi o ka mbaka say economy. But ye ka say economy we propaganda. But you $1 almost 16 cities.
The dollar was 14.7.
No problem. Let's agree.
Namon can say. Maybe I want to call them 16. January 7, 2025 was the handing over. It was 14.7.
No problem. Now, if he is saying there's no stability, let's assume what he's saying is true. Then let's go to the market and check for 100,000 at your time, brah, dollars. Before 100,000 at your time, brah. Ni na ye from cities. Ubenya wo dey 1.47 billion.
$10,000.
Yes.
Ubenya 1.47.
Miss Benya say almost 11. We say there's no stability. Many Oman can several
dollar this morning is 11.4.
So it is always say you be in economy. Are we exaggerating? And you see he raised the issue. Me what journalism no. Na you could do voice popular okayara. A mentality me say President Mahama enfin na ebesono. They should make laws. I betimi am control price. And yes sir, dollar stability or my to me and for so be any so. Because a dollar swati. Na say port charges swati boom. Na ka board thing. I don't really understand. Dollar swati. Taxes above from port charges
above from
and you know swati boom you can be say 2.5 1.8 then swati still do cardboard the end missing link na and massa issues in neighbor. This is what we need to address as a nation. Ya she ya about hardly. Am I mini a brand ka say NDC for ka say hwesura hwefom bra ufra bam 1 year nche ana menua me kura no na wo refi wo say Akufo president Akufo ka say there will not be haircut 1 month about there was a haircut men ka dem yefasa won ma diti what men sia am yefo won ma jai omai omampanyini say on contest biem onyina biem. I have said this and I will repeat. Obi oni me bia say my firstborn Raymond. My firstborn Raymond, good luck. Mahama Asante. My firstborn to President Mahama. He is aware I named my firstborn after him. My second girl is 13 now. 13 years now. But not to Lodina. Or not the Lodina and nature Asante. One thing I'm a G Edu President Mahama want to say. He said it in overseas. On Ghana, as of when you say, repeated same say, me, President Akunano, Mimpedium, Yamidi in Fin Naya, Majuma Sa, Apim. So we, I hear MPP for na creation, which young person, you be more attention.
Focus stability. Issues are being raised. Why invest $10.6 billion in an economy and yet no jobs are created? The only thing is to stabilize the dollar. So the dollar is being artificially managed. What if we wake up next year? What happens?
We will also discuss that one. Once your mind, you say you will interrogate our policies and the things that we do, we will also discuss it as well. We will also discuss it.
One question.
President to be in buy 1 year creative jobs, and then people should tell me, in 1 year they are crying wolf. What did you create within 1 year?
What did you create?
Yes, within your first 1 year, because now MPP4 just 1 year of President Mahama's administration, and because of our impeccable records to stabilize the dollar, to stabilize the economy. now the MP before say you were 2029 a year beto aba 1 year grenya nui and na momia kai enya wo so in wie ya and now unya ministers unya council of state and they start working and no took like 2-3 months and some say money na in place and do kasa wo pa you start here adwuma pa na bia na yenya bia 8 months or 9 months ministers bi wo krompo na achire cry ai and ya appoint wo mo ntimi nuanom munya botre ade aye pese ye beye bia aban no beye enkoko ketekete o ma you raise it aban hye ye ne say ntimi nya no wholesale distribution it must pass through a recognized group bi enti ana me betra ka kire wo say ebia me nuan o man ebia ye nam nipa be 15 ye pese ye enkoko ketekete bajonim aban ne say we should register so that chairman na oda cooperative no anim no ono na obehwe and this agric extension officers no veterinary for no wan eba omba be si chairmanship no na chairman no de o makọ ba bia nkokọ ketekete bia wo no makọ akọ monitor ye mbese be jagu se esikwa ho wa paso be nkokọ bia be se bi ko da bi abanya dwuma bia no ye sa aban wo limited number ye wo mo magi 50 100 aban se sa group no wa mo wabro so na 500 and your woman some more established farms aban say omo special package omo enkoko no a dosun. Let's see how it rolls out na ye nyina ye hwe mai bibia enye say I said yeah I was said 1 year pay we should be able to achieve everything we said and minia electoral commission asema okay or if you say we is a lot to say if it was good then I didn't know na dia obi di petition akọ Debbie me say, I'm not doing equalization. Me say, when the MPP was defending that there was a petition.
On what shall to say now?
Me pacho, the only petition quiet.
She will be sacked.
And me tell say, Sir Abranti the petition queen is a senior staff of the electoral commission. He's indicted, but he's still. Am I?
The credibility at stake.
Indictment and dismissal. Yeah, I agree. You agree? Indictment is not a dismissal. Or the petition called Article 146. And then about for say that at Abuabini for Article 146. No, we should look at it critically because everything do how Kesiaba or the court abide on Article the same Article 146. Has forwarded same to the to Chief Justice. There was a petition against Unicolendi. It was forwarded to President. President forwarded to Chief Justice. He has been questioned. Say any merit be. So, abide the Chief Justice. Let Chief Justice look at the issues and look at the points that the gentleman has raised. Then government will take a decision.
All right. Oh my, I'm surprised. Quick one. You see, now or say Nanado. 2017 one creative jobs. Krobia and Cheki. The first rural enterprise program employed 11,659. 2017. No, you say we are giving you facts and figures. Second one, Ghana Investment Promotion Center, year 2017. And also employed 13,108 persons employed. Facts no lie. And again, Mami Kanchiro, or say or chipping with Charlotte Osiasem. This blanks in no one credibility crowd. I had the opportunity to listen to me interview. Simple question of mine. Make a ghost tell you say NDC the man was asked 2 simple fantastic questions on my intelligent more than that. He was being asked the bain would de petition also I don't remember. I'm driving. Jesus Christ. What the petition call my means to say you are giving a copy. Receive an agent, you stamp and sign. Were you giving a copy? Or say, I can't tell, I need to cross check. Jesus Christ. A serious country like Ghana. What's so your petitioner? What petition idea? The Ben Ade Akye wouldn't data to call such a serious petition like this. It is only the credibility required. And again, he talked about said there is no scandal. Hey, NDC, some catch us or extra reform. Cocaine, we heavy. Oh, cocaine. Cocaine about watching airport do most say no even on my central region crowd here. What do you say? Make airport the central region minister and also say on there or why say watching one why.
An allegation from
granted, if it's an allegation, now Western or the end so. Western or the end.
All of them are allegations.
All of them. That is the typical of that is NDC for you. That is NDC for you. So if we tell you these people are serious, I didn't know, man.
I am so happy.
You told us point blank, so we don't need aeroplane. The aeroplane is in a fine position. What are you doing now?
You're buying two.
Not even 2 vessels in there. I don't know what about NDC ni plane to. I just don't remind my man no to a plane. Males cars here investigating. So I'll ask. In inference, what is it there about Mahamani plane to? Don't even bring yourself. Mutu futrogu Ghana for any say Ghana for I say. Galam say stability what and say currently say. Yeah, kona say. Don't bring yourself. But sometimes, baby, I do. Hold on. On the heat, also want me heat. I keep quiet. So keep quiet and listen to me calmly. Now, on my phone on Tunche. So NDC Ghanaians will see them. Oh, kasa ene kwa jura kohe. Usi jura ibabumo. Bag of rice. You are talking about $1. Oh my, 10 billion. You mentioned $10.1 billion. Now, nim ejume beti mafa. Unim ejuma job creation, one district, one factory akekesi we. Amu claim unim de betima ye ama afa Ghana for ema mo ma ye ejuma. You are not spending because of their political omuka so mbeba they will stabilize the economy CD no. I know that you say why. Now what stabilizes CD now? Then the panel who direct reflection na one thing in name so dey. Ko 4 pence or buy $1 was equals to 1 CD. Ejon 4 hours here. Obi atete na name so because when him so call job man so and again, on my very day, budget no, call treasury market, the 54 bonds they call it. Because of say security, people doesn't any trust in say 35 only 50 idea code just so who could talk BOG what treasury bill who could turn 50 bonds 35 na Ghana talk. It tells you Ghanaians doesn't have confidence in this economy.
All right.
Am I? When my brother sought to do this, Omanhene Yaw. The okay now you businka. Mo ye me more a real scandal bonds. Less than 3 months. Now we're raising 2.1 billion. Coupled with a lot of infractions.
Templeton.
What does a Templeton? Yes, thank you. You know about 1 year was a scandal about cocaine. Cocaine bay.
Galamsey.
Since when
hold on. Woman organizer. Okwadi excavator.
So listen to me heat until I listen to you.
And so you don't. We are sad and also to me heat.
Yes. The American say, "Yeah, can real scandal catch for sit at team committee." And tienne, all the Galamsey never can ya. And a scandal about us hanging on all of us our neck. We hit you when you were in opposition. You were hated us when you are also in opposition. And I say, you never trust one day. You can't say, "Baby, you don't know." You sit there. Wait your way. I feel the doors. Send ya. You must be babam that here. Galamsey, mom, so much as I can be. I want to be sanity. But me tell say, your warrior scandal. If you could do, I could discuss it. What could you say? Why could you waste? Can you be here 1 year near? Oh my, me say, Edria, I didn't feel what she. MPP didn't feel what she. Aquano, you don't expect 8 months of President Mahama. So,
okay. Happiest birthday to my amazing wife, Mrs. Eugenia Sasa Frimpon of Italy. From your husband, Reverend Simon. Mrs. Eugenia Sasa Frimpon. This is coming from Reverend Simon. Dorothy, today is your birthday, and this is Ejako of Ejako. Dorothy. Ejako. Okay. Chinawechim. Nana Kwabra Jesse Dankwa. Nana Kwabra Jesse Dankwa Mwako. Asante Eboa, Esiwa Mautirinkwa. Mrs. Sarah Mwakon of Accra Agape Down, Church of Pentecost. Today is your birthday from your sister Mami Sewa and the entire family. Glorious birthday to Susanna Safo of Tema, Michelle Camp. Susanna Safo, Tema Michelle Camp, from your husband to be. Omono Asamwa, Pacho Munchrim, you Omna Sama Ubuha. Happiest birthday to Elvis Kojo Chum of BBNE from Father Bronson in a hini and also anyway Abba. Afei we have Evelyn Nanekia Adepa This is from your sisters, Nana Ya and Ra. Evelyn, Nana Akye Abia. Edith Osadia. Second clothes dealer or just so Edith Osadia from Christian of Sompa Marketing Department. Abusia for many my baby for you the movie see I am Rena song. Nah, yes.
Mami 1 minute. Ye Ade ba yan hwe ye be ha.
Yeah, there.
On se mita kind of call parliament.
Microphone.
Minta kind of call parliament. Leave why for medical management system. Yeah, on se first oko hospital. Yeah, OBBI is computerized. And we see data near one where I say so they are comma Gibbs for. We say a Ghana own and from October. From July, wow, records work hospital be no qua, you don't get it. I've been it's not there. No, it is serious.
Oh, yes,
because it is serious. Enra. G.
Your medical history is missing.
What
I mean is
it's missing.
It's become a general thing. Are the gifts for no could delete and answer.
So why you free in some?
And they've
returned to manual quantity near card no. Suntress Hospital. Obi sending me video. Nina abrewa okon once everything health insurance everything is on the data
even before you go to the doctors your report and everything is waiting for you.
Yes.
And as I say you have to go back to the folder system.
How?
That is what is happening. You don't even find your rep. Are you serious?
I will discuss it.
It's very serious. It's very serious.
Only the reading the direct.
Okay. Castro ya chow. Okay, abusian for ya demo esi hanomo. Na agudie for no abetoa dwumadie ne so e de amamo. Odom dom ye ne a ye ne mo nyina ebesa